Hello everyone, this is Chapter 7 Word Editing and Formatting Video Part 2. In this video, we are going to learn various concepts of MS Word. Let's start it with change case. There are 5 text cases in MS Word. They are sentence case, lowercase, uppercase, capital each word case and toggle case. Sentence case. In this case, first letter of the sentence is capital, rest all are small. For this, just look at the first sentence. Uppercase. In this, all the letters are capital. Hello friends, how are you? All the letters are capital in this sentence. This is called uppercase. Next is lowercase. In this case, all the letters in the sentence are small, as you can see in sentence number 3. Next is capital each word case. In this, first character of each word is capital and the rest are small. Just check out line number 4. Hello friends, how are you? All the letters marked with red are capital, rest all are small. This is capital each word case. Last is toggle case. Toggle case, it will reverse the cases of letter or selected letter. As you can see, I have selected the capital each word case where first letter was capital, rest all are small, but in toggle it is reverse of the same. Steps to do that are: select the text which you want to change to a new style. Click on Home tab. Click on Change Case. Click on the change case which you want to apply. Out of 5, whatever you want to apply, you can apply accordingly. The text you selected changes to new case style. Using Mini Toolbar. Children, Mini Toolbar is used to get common formatting commands. You can select the text in the document and by Mini Toolbar appears faintly. Right click over it and choose the command which you want to apply. Changing font. Font is a way of writing. You can change the font of text to enhance the appearance of your document. For it, select the text, click on the Home tab, click on the down arrow, select the font which you want to apply and new font will be applied to your text. Changing font color. You can even change the color of font. For it, just click on the Home tab after selecting the text. Then choose the desired color from the drop down arrow and the new color will be applied to your text. Changing font size. Font size controls the height of a font, generally measured in points. You can increase or decrease the size of text in your document. For it, just select the text, click on the Home tab, choose the desired font size, and new size will be applied to your font. Alignment. Alignment is the positioning of a text. You can align a text in 4 different ways to give your document a professional look. By default, MS Word assigns the left align command. 4 alignments are left alignment, right alignment, center alignment, justify alignment. First is right align. You can see all the text from the right hand side is aligned. In the left side is aligned. In the center, all the texts are aligned in the center. Justify. You can align the text which is even from all the 3 sides, that is left, right and center. How can you apply the alignment? The steps for the same are: select the text, click on the Home tab, choose the desired alignment out of 4 and the new alignment will be applied. Making text bold, italic and underline. These are used to emphasize the information in our document. Steps for the same are: First, I'm starting with bold. It is used to make text look darker. As you can see, hello parents in first sentence and just see the hello parents in second sentence. It is darker than the first line. Step for the same are, click on the Home tab, click on the B button. There is also a shortcut key for it, that is Ctrl+B. Italic. It is used to make the text look slant. Just check out the second line. It is slanted. Step for the same are, click on the Home tab, click on the I button. Shortcut key for it is Ctrl key along with I letter key. Underline. It is used to make the text appear underlined. Just check the second line. Hello parents there is a line below it. It is underlined. Shortcut for it is Ctrl key along with letter U. This is all about chapter number 7. I hope children you have understood the chapter very well. We'll meet again with our next chapter in next video. Till then, goodbye children. Take care.